public service announcement, given the COVID-19, whatever that crap's called. The symptoms are, respiratory, cough, fever, and that. Whatever you do, that sucks because I have allergies. I'm not on my cold now, like allergy colds from Justin, but anyhow. So whatever you do, don't cough, don't wheeze. Like, so don't go on some like long jog like I just did now. Everyone else kind of like have asthma. And like, oh, what did they say? Like a call, like, oh, she has a COVID-19. That's it, COVID-19. So poster's announcement. I told my dog this too. Do not cough. Do not cough. Do not be shallow of breath. And good Lord in heaven, do not drop a hint of sweat. They'll think you have a fever. And you're contagious. It's poster's announcement. Yep. Okay, love you guys. Bye.